These two were meant for each other. And very quickly, I began to wonder to myself, why haven't they been together this entire time? Something that I think we all were thinking to ourselves, because these two fit together perfectly. They immediately connected and found how their shared interests would mean they'd never grow bored of each other's company. The places where their opinions differed would help them make the best decisions, and it would be impossible to live without one another.
Are you gonna settle down with me? I've always had a little wanderlust, darling. Come and sweep me off my feet. Pick a path and we won't look back, marching to our own drum beat. Will you go on adventures with me? Will you go on adventures with me?
The move and the new life here brought lots of challenges into Valerie's life. She seemed a bit lost at first. But then she found a new dance studio, and her passion for dance and the friends she made quickly helped guide her through some very difficult times adjusting to her new world. I remember being at a dance competition some years later, and Valerie had just performed this routine that you choreographed in front of a couple of hundred people, and I was so proud, and I thought to myself, she's better at this than I've ever been at anything ever in my life. And I was so proud.
Settle down with me. Feels right, you're in my story. Will you go on adventures with me? Will you go on adventures with me?
Since that day in 2015, Valerie and Chris have built a partnership and a love you see once in a lifetime, the kind you don't put down. Through the highs and lows life throws their way, they never waver. They continue to grow together, supporting each other's dreams and sharing their passions. After 8 incredible years together, they are thrilled to take this next step in honoring their love with their closest friends and family by their side. Till death do they part.
The way you're taking me in, taking me in.
Over the years, it became Chris was the brother that I never had, and Valerie was the friend that I never truly appreciated. And now I could not be more happy to have them together, to have a man like Chris to pass my protector title on to. They are the greatest couple ever, and they truly, genuinely care about each other, which is the best part.
Find myself desperately needing a taste. Sand on my tongue is salt on my face.
Now,
I'm dying
please
to
seal your
talk
union
with nothing to say. And all I need is a little bit of honey, a little bit of honey.
I'm so thankful that Sammy and I have Chris and Val in our lives. They're truly inspirational. There's so much to admire about Chris and Val's relationship and the love they show towards one another. They care for one another. They are honest with one another. They share the same dark sense of humor. They truly complement and deserve each other, and we're so grateful to be part of their special day.
Into this dirt I love. I know that all I have is more
dig my heels into this dirt I love. I know that all I have is more than